Mwah. Hello oh sorry, wrong video. Right, I've seen people doing a couple of videos on these competitions against different probes, even the new Minelab one as well. So I just thought do my own little demonstration. There's different tricks out there for the Garrett where they slide the coin up and down the shaft, which gives you an inch depth more and stuff. When I first started detecting, I went all out and bought one of these big pistol probes, which was 140 odd pound, which is twice, 3 times the depth of the Garrett, which I'm going to demonstrate now. Right, bear with me, I say I haven't got my camera set up very well, so as you can see, 0 mark there, that's the line, and they're in inches, as you can see, just about. So what I'll do is turn the Garrett on and wave first an old Vicky penny past it. Let's see how we get on. Oh. Right, there we go. Bear with me, folks. Sorry about the shadow. Right, we're on 3 inches. 2 inches. Right, that's bang on 2 inches that the Garrett's getting the, show you, Vicky penny, which is a big signal. Right, just to make it a bit more difficult, I've got one of these, it's American 1 dime, which is probably the equivalent size of a British 5p. So here we go. Try it at 3 inches first. Right, 2 inches. No. 1 inches. I'd say, to be fair, I'll give it 1.25 inches. As you can see, that's just past the line. 1 1/8. I'd say. So you can see that, yeah. I'll leave it there. Yeah, about there. Okay. Right, time for the pistol probe. Let's see how we go with that. I'll just show you. Oh, hang on. Lift the camera. There it is. By Detector Pro. You can see how it gets its name. Good thing about this unit is it's got discrimination and other things on it. Frequency. It's got vibrate only, high tone, low tone, threshold. Okay. Right. It's a bit big, this. Hang on. I'll have to keep my finger on this because you've got a, it's a motion detector, this one. So it goes by motion, obviously. Right, let's try and set this up. Right, we're bang on the tip there. Okay. The on button's there, so what I'll do is set the camera there. Turn it up a little bit. Right, what I'll do is I'll keep my finger on the button, which obviously activates it. Yeah, I'll move it over there, and let's see how far we get. Right, hang on, 5 inches. Oh, hang on, let's sort this out. That whispering is because it's just on the threshold. Hang on. A little bleep on 6 inches, if you can hear that. 5.5 a little bit. It's picking it up at 5 really, not a solid signal. But the faster you go, I think, yeah. Solid signal on 4 inches. Yeah, you're looking about, you would pick it up at 5 inches. You see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Agree? Right, make it a bit harder. We'll try that 1 dime. Oh, I'd say you pick it up at 3 inches. That. yeah, so it's not a bad little probe. See it picking it up there. Three inches there, see? Move it back. So there you go. I just thought I'd share that with you. Bit of useless information. Nah, it's a good probe this actually. Right, that's it. I just thought I'd make a video, so I thought do a probe video like everyone else has. Me and Jackie should be out tomorrow on some land, so hopefully I'll have a video out for you there, probably tomorrow or Monday. If you're out yourselves tomorrow, I hope it's a good one for you, and let's see you find some hammies. Take care, happy hunting, and bye for now.